morning, guys. Come back to a brand new video. So, if you didn't see my Facebook page, what I posted yesterday, I did try to film yesterday, but I didn't really do anything. I don't even know how this video is gonna go, because there's just really nothing to do. I'm just trying to think of things to do, but I really don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna go along and see how things go. But just quickly, that board I was trying to look for a few videos back, it did come up, and I sprayed a first coat of black on it because it was already had the white base. I didn't really have to sand it or anything. So I did that yesterday. I did film it, but I didn't upload a video because it just would have been boring for you guys. So but otherwise, yeah, I'm just gonna see what happens and stuff like that. So I'll catch you all later. Guys, so I decided to come to the viewing area. This is a different one. This one is where you can more see the planes take off and land. I don't know if you can hear, but I'm with Molly right now. There she is. So we'll get some footage outside. A plane just landed, actually, so I kind of missed it because I just got here. So yeah, I mean, there was nothing else I could think to do, so I'm gonna let her out. She might need to go toilet, and then yeah, hopefully we'll get some planes. I don't know about taking off, but I know they'll be landing, but we'll see. And then hopefully maybe something better comes up later. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, well, let's get some guys, so I got the best footage that I could. The plane landing, it sort of landed on the end of the runway and was taxiing down this way, sort of. So it's not really good. 2 planes ended up taking off, which was good. There was a third one, but I missed it. But I think I'm gonna head off back home because it is starting to rain and I don't really want to get caught up. So hopefully maybe next time I come I could get some better footage. So I think I'm gonna head home and I'll see you all there. Guys, so I've been back for a while now. There's just honestly nothing to do. But just before, as I was ready to leave, after I filmed the clip that I was talking, a Boeing 747 landed. So I don't know where I'm gonna add that in, but I'll probably add it after the talking bit because it did land just as I stopped filming. So, but yeah, I'm probably just gonna end the video here because there's just really nothing to do. And time's ticking on anyway, so I'm sorry that this was not the most interesting day. But with the way the weather is, and when there's just nothing to do, it makes it hard. But hopefully, in the next time I film, hopefully the day will be a lot more interesting. But this is all I could do for now. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Social media will be in the description below if you want to go check those out. And don't forget the notification bell to receive a notification from me when I upload. Let's get us to 50 to 100 subscribers. So please share the video. Tell your friends to subscribe. Share the channel around. Stay motivated. And I'll catch you all the next time I film. See ya.